Hi guys! Hello mga ka-freezer! May mga naghihikam pa dito. We are going to Jazz Festival. So I have a media pass. And then nakahingi tayo ng isang complimentary ticket. So we are covering kasi yung Jazz Festival for the whole week. So actually Wednesday na ngayon, but ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time na bumisita dun sa site and take some behind the scenes photos para sa social media. Kasi yun yung work ko, but marami kasi ginagawa sa office. Anyway, hindi ako para hindi ako para mag-explain. Okay? And we are going to have fun tonight because someone just passed his exam. So you're looking at EIT here, engineering training right here. So congratulations! Yan, so we're going out tonight. It's just 3:30 pero nagpaalam ako sa boss ko na I'll be going downtown early kasi nga mahirap mag-park dito sa Victoria Park. So we will gonna take you today para makita nyo kung ano bang mga ganap dito pag summer. Last week was Canada Day. Ang ganda. It was very nice experience pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog, but today, come on, join us. It's Jazz Festival, so may mga banda na tutugtog, may mga food carts, food trucks, I don't know. Let's see. Hi guys! Welcome to Saskatoon! Walking in the summer here in Saskatoon. We have our tawag dito, camping chairs. Dito sa Canada, investment ng camping chair kasi ito yung mga uso dito eh. So yun guys, ang dami ano dito malapit sa Victoria Park. Actually nandito na kami nung Sunday kasi may yoga dyan din sa loob. Saturday pala, dyan din sa loob, pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Ito na ba yun? Ay, ano ba yung may tent na yan? Ayun yung entrance. Tapos yung mas malaking, ayun na yung stage, oh. Yan na yan. Pero hindi ako nakaikot dun sa ano eh. sa mga food trucks. So let's see today.
Jazz Festival's information station at Victoria Park, which is your one-stop shop for all things related to the festival. Members of our Home Quarter Coffee House and Bakery volunteer team will be happy to assist you with any questions you may have about the festival. Plus, at the information station, you can purchase
Mini Donuts, Prime Bistro. Meron parang mga parang bazaar. Let's see.
Yeah, I think that's all of it.
Parang mga ano na to. Parang mga activities na to. Barbecue. What's that? Saskatoon sexual assault. Ice latte. Pipili tayo.
Oh, hindi ako sa ito. Sorry. 5:30.
Ito pala, barbecue oh. Karnagan. Hi guys! Work is done. Di pa tapos yung concert, but can you imagine mag-8 p.m. 7:30 but mataas pa yung araw. Dami tao. Ay, basketball eh. Sabay-sabay sila nagbabasketball kasi ang daming ring. Ganyan lang sila. So yan guys. We're leaving na. See you in the next vlog. Antok na ako. Bye. 7:13 eh. Bye.